For this particular tutorial, we're just going to look at how we access the box.net folder. As you all know, the Technoteachers Association recently switched all their services over to box.net, where it's stored in the cloud and everyone can have access to all the files developed by the association and download them and use them in whatever way they want. Every member will get an email of a link to the box and a separate email containing the password. So therefore, receiving the email, which would look something like this, I just have placed this into a Word file at present. You can simply click on the link, which will in turn open a browser, whichever browser you're using, and then in the separate email which you received from the association, you will be given the password. So you can type in your password there, all lowercase. Didn't type it in there. Once inside the box, you can see on the cloud service here, there's been folders set up to represent the different subjects and the association publications, and all of the files are stored here. So instead of the CD me giving out at the conference each year and generally getting lost, now every member has access to the box, and any updates, file changes, etc. will be changed here, and everyone can access them on a daily basis from their computer, tablet, phone, etc. Looking at these here, the publications, so any recent publications will go in there, so we can see there's only one file there present. DCG resources, we can see there's 50 files. Construction studies, technical graphics, and MTW. So very simply, clicking in the folder, we can see all of the files that are in there. Obviously these here are folders, so our scale drawings there, SEAI publications, construction papers, marking schemes, universal design, etc. there, construction studies, practical. You can see here there's the practical idea for 2011 there. Simply up here then I have a little breadcrumb which I can go back a level there, so I can go back to my construction studies resources where I was previously. Construction studies project, so you can see there's the project guide which the association developed a few years ago. If I go back to the top level, technical graphics, so all of these are being added to on a monthly basis or bi-monthly basis. If I click into health and safety, which is some of the more recent stuff, and we can see here we have safety signage, safety concepts, posters, etc. all of that stuff there available there. If I go into the safety posters, and we just look at how we can use this. Now once I enter the safety posters there, it's going to load up a preview of it, so I can view these files online. So it'll preview most Microsoft documents, PDFs, images, etc. So you can see here I can scroll through. These are all the posters which we can print off in A3 or A4 for the rooms. So I have the option to print it directly from here, or up at the top I have the option to download it. So simply click on download and I can download from there. Going back a level there, I can see with safety posters here, I can also click download here. So that will download it directly. I see I have an option up here to download the folder, so I can download the entire contents of the folder. So it is very handy there where I can view the document. You could use it in this view. I have these options here to view multi-pages, try and find the page that I'm looking for, and maybe then I can zoom in, just use that page if I need to in class. Go back to the beginning. So very simply, this is just a simple tutorial how to access the box. Number one, number two, what is in the box, the different folders, and then how we can access the files and download them. I hope it's some help.